I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour today on this 60 by 40 canvas, and they're mostly all metallics, and I am really looking forward to seeing how this one comes out. I have got a colour that I don't use very often. It's called sketch paper. I'm not even sure if it's still available now, but I thought this might go with my gold, silver, burnt umber. So you know what, I'm just going to try it. So I'm going to use this as my back coat, the sketch paper. So nice to try colours that you not say don't feel comfortable. I don't use this very often, and I'm kind of trying to work out what actual colour you could say it is. It's not a grey and it's not a brown. I like a taupe, I guess, like a taupe colour. So I'm gonna see, I'm pretty sure that it will go really nice with the colours that I've got mixed today. So I'm pretty excited to try it, because something I don't normally work with. I'm not too worried about the edges over the edges at this point in time, because I'm pretty sure my paint will end up over there anyway. Rightio, so that's my sketch paper background, so that's pretty drastic. Rightio. Now I have got, this is, and also these are colours I don't use very often. So burnt umber, but I have added a good blob of black in because I wanted it even darker, like a rich dark chocolate. So I am going to do this and do this. Sort of do my, I was going to do just the composition in these on the corner edges, but I think I'll add some to the overall. I'm not sure whether I'm going to leave any negative space. Who knows? Let's see. So it's just doing a wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just take it nice and easy. Enjoy the process. Do a bit of. So this is very sort of, yeah, like a rich dark chocolate. Righty-o. I'm going to come with my other custom colour which I made, which is silver. It's silver with the burnt umber in it. So it's this lovely sort of dusty latte, like cafe latte, chocolate latte colour. So I'm loving it. Oops, 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 oops. Wow, 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 wow. Rightio, now I'm going to put in some metallic gold. So with all these metallics, and it's going to really shimmer when it's dry. So this has given it a there you go, there's my gecko agreeing. Yes, it's going to give it some lovely shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Sort of look like tiger colours, don't they? Now I'm going to add in a bit of the metallic copper. Exciting, exciting. Metallic copper, and then I'll do my champagne gold, which is 50% gold and 50% silver. Wow, 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 wow. Where's my white? I'm going to put a drizzle. I'm going to put a drizzle of white in there. Probably doesn't need it, but I will. A drizzle of white. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. My granddaughters would love to be here while I'm saying those words. Rightio. Let's see what we can get out of this. I might just try a few, just a few little swipes to bring some of the colour. Oh, may I? Should I or shouldn't I? I'll give it a whiz over with my heat one first. I'm going to try my mini blower again. I've got this little mini blower. I don't know, just recently it's not seemed to blow my paint. Maybe my paint is too thick for the mini blower. But I'm going to try my mini blower, but I'm going to try it without the end on it. So I'll just try it without because it might be a bit stronger. Let's give it a go. That's working okay. Woo. Pretty. Very pretty. Those colours are gorgeous. Okay, that's my mini blower. Ooh. Now I'm going to go my full hairdryer blower. Well, it's a mini. Again, everybody asks me, it's called a baby Bayless. I found it at a charity store. Apparently you can get the same baby Bayless, just not the same colour. But I really like this because the handle goes backwards instead of forward like the other, so it gives you a better angle for art. We really need somebody to manufacture this angle. It works, I find it works brilliantly. So let's give this a go now. Wow. Beautiful. Wiggle it as you let them blow the colours. You can, oh, I love that dark, that umber in there with the black, really sets it up nicely. Wow, 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 wow. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, no, I don't want the big blows in it. Why did I do that? Silly jilly. I want the wispy ones in there. Just want wispy. Wow. Love it, love it, love it. Now I'm going to just put a little bit of my soft plastic file divider. Maybe if I just, this is just the Amsterdam Black with Floetrol, even though probably would work without it. Just wanted to do some wispy bits through it, which is absolutely fine without the Amsterdam. That's gorgeous. It's just my global and my pouring medium. So just literally just put in the very tip of your file divider, or you could use a spatula, whatever floats your boat. Just, I know I get lots of people, oh, you didn't need those wispy bits. Well, it's what I remember, your art, your rules, your way. Oh, I didn't need them, but it's fun, certainly fun doing them. Wow, love it, love it, love it. I'll just give it a whiz over with my heat wand. So those colours were the bomb together. They're beautiful. And I really want to get a large round canvas and do the metallic wave on the round canvas. So I've got to try and find myself a nice big round. But I'm going to bring you down and have a look at this. Wow. Look at the lovely colour in this. So it's not black, but that burnt umber with the black in it, it certainly made this pop. It's got lots of movement in there. It looks very floaty, metallic-y. Absolutely certain it will dry nice and shimmery. You know, my basic instinct is to go and balloon this because I will get some really lovely floaty effects out of it, but I'm going to not freak anybody that don't like balloons, don't like it when you do the balloons. That's okay. If you're doing this piece or a piece similar using my idea, you do it exactly how you choose to do. I'm very, very happy with that. What do you guys think? Is it a yay or a nay? I will be back tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me. Please, please take care of yourselves. Bye for now.